In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Tablescape!
I'm Kaz and welcome back to Crafting with Kaz. If you're back for and you're ready for another DIY project. So I'm super excited about this project, like I'm excited about most of my projects, but I am going to be teaming up with Sarah at Creative Ramblings. I love her channel. I've been watching it for a while. She does a lot of DIY projects that always turn out really nice. And I like the fact that she also DIYs like different cocktails and mocktails too. So you get like a good variety of different DIY things. So I'm going to go ahead and link her channel in the description box below. Make sure that you subscribe, as well as just let her know that I sent you. But together we're going to be making fall Dollar Tree tablescapes, and basically going to be DIYing some of the different items that you'll find on a tablescape on a budget. So if you want to see how we use these Dollar Tree materials for a cute fall tablescape for the holiday season that's coming up, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I started to prep everything that I wanted to have painted. All of the leaves are painted black, the skewers were painted black, the top of the Thanksgiving sign was coated in white, and everything with the test tubes that was covered in green was painted black. So I started the first project with using some of the shelf liner from the Dollar Tree as a table runner to be the start and the base of my table decor. So then I have my black spray painted leaves. I have all of them that I use from the different packs. And then I started to cut them in half, well, some of them, and then I also started to keep some of them whole to add them to the actual shelf liner for the table runner. And since I was using a glue gun, I had to make sure that I got rid of all of the glue gun strings underneath, and had to also make sure that the glue gun wasn't sticking or adhering to the rest of the table underneath. And then I added some tassel trim that I previously got from the craft store because I thought it would be cute on the end. So for the second DIY, I used some of the jars from the Dollar Tree, and then I used some bamboo skewers that I've used in previous projects that I spray painted black, and I used that to evenly space those around the jars to create a cute design for some candles. So for the center of the table, I used some of the test tube holders that I painted black, and then here I am just touching up the black paint, and then I used that to stack on top of the Thanksgiving sign. black and white paint to the pumpkins so they can be added to the table. Thanks so much for watching, and check out these other DIYs on a budget.